Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Moto G22 and I'm going to show you battery percentage not showing on your phone and the solution for it. We are going to of course talk about the solution, so how to fix this issue. The first thing that you actually need to do is to check if you have got it enabled. I actually don't have it, so let's at first open the settings, and I think it won't be in the battery. Oh, it is in the battery. In some phones it's in the status bar section. So enable battery percentage. Make sure that this tick is blue or just colored or just turned to the right. It's enabled now. So if it still doesn't work, you need to restart the device to reset the battery sensor. How to reset? You need to hold the power button and tap restart. Not reset, restart. So everything should be fixed now. If it is not fixed, you need to go deeper. So what to do? Go to the Play Store. We need to go and check if the battery sensor works. I am offline because I restarted my phone. Now I'm online. Here tap search, and now in the search bar you can install two applications. The first one, AccuBattery. Here AccuBattery, ACCU battery. Here you need to tap this application, install it, and here open. Oh, pardon me, my Facebook wants to get my attention. So here, as you can see, we've got 97%. If you see here some mistakes, some errors, you need to, of course, after installing this application, set it up. But here you should see your battery status. If you don't see it, it's bad. You need to contact the device support to have it fixed. The second application that you can install is Battery Widget. Sometimes it just overrides some limitations, so Battery Widget. And I actually use Battery Widget application Reborn by Thomas Hubalek. Here hit install button. And here open. Start automatically, add widget, and here battery widget. Add to home screen, and here you need to tap this tick. As you can see, here it is, 97%. If we don't see battery percentage, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Goodbye.